Misleading headlines cause indifference. Actually, I have no data to back that up, with the exception of life experience and the fact that 99% of you just nodded your heads. We've all been victims of headline porn, but do we really understand how detrimental it can be? BGR.com has a headline: Revolutionary New Plastic Eats Itself to Biodegrade in Landfills. What they actually did was report that a company has discovered that if it mutates spores of Bacillus subtilis, it will withstand the heat used in the process of creating products out of thermoplastic polyurethane, TPU. And then, if the spores are mixed in the TPU, they believe it will consume as much as 90% of the TPU in the landfill when triggered by moisture, soil, and other nutrients. According to the article, that is, which incidentally also claims that TPU is not recyclable, which is baloney. It's 100% recyclable and can be used in injection molding once it is. Also, you can check out Patagonia.com as they look to make products out of 100% recycled and recyclable TPU. Yes, that Patagonia.com, the unofficial official vest of the logistics industry. But back to the genetically mutating microorganisms. I think we have all had our experience and fill of that process. I mean, what could go wrong with a spore mutated to withstand 135 degrees Celsius and eats plastics? I get the idea of wanting to get rid of waste plastics, but what is missing is the exhaust of this process, and how do you control it? There's zero mention of what is the resulting waste of this process and what that might look like. It's like announcing that burning plastics makes them go away without discussing the VOCs and other important exhaust gases. They still don't know if actual products made from the mutated spore-infused TPU material will have any functionality at all. In other words, there's a headline out there that will allow the casual reader to think that there's a solution to waste plastics that's been developed, when it hasn't. Problem solved.